All right, Lydia, I thought maybe you would appreciate a little garden walk, see how your garden's doing. I don't know the names of any of these plants, obviously, but they're all looking healthy. Got some flowers down there. That looks like a marigold or not a marigold, what do you call it? The one that keeps the mosquitoes away. This bee balm, I think, is doing nicely. Bees everywhere and little bugs. See them all? The bees in here. Lots of activity here. It's kind of nice. And I've been filling this, keeping it nice. Geranium was the other one. Yeah, this one nice and active as well. These guys doing great. See, this is how I do your channel. This is doing great. Some flowers down there. It's nice and warm today, sunny and warm. Izzy walked through here and broke these two just now. She felt she needed to go right through there. All right, let's look at the, a little butterfly block. Garden looks nice, okay. That looks kind of pretty. I don't know what that is. Ground is still somewhat soft. We had a lot of rain a few days ago, nothing recent. Cucumbers looking all kind of tired and okay, there are things here. These have been blossoming at night. They smell so nice, very mild, but quite nice, quite nice. So, oh, and there's some tomatoes over here. Look at this. So that's a pepper right there. That's a tomato. Should I be picking those? Tell me what to do, bro. I don't want to waste anything. Then we'll come over here. These are all looking pretty good. This one looks a little yellow. It did look yellow before you left. Blueberries, the herbs, the tree. Look at your blossoms up in your peach tree, your kumquat. No, I know, I forget the name off the top of my head. That's it. Bye.